Yo, what's up? It's been a while. It's your boy Windy City Rider. We out here getting ready to do another install. We installed the King Tour Pack on the Road Glass Special. Now today we're going to do the Custom Dynamics LED Tour Pack arms. Get those in there. Get a little more safety and visibility on the Tour Pack. Alright, well I'm back. It wants us to use the existing screws from the Tour Pack. Since I didn't have any existing screws for these holes, probably going to use some double-sided tape, line the screw holes up, and then come back later with the screw to mount from the inside of the Tour Pack into the light fixture. But we are going to need the wiring harness here that came with the Pro Beam light. See if we can get this going. I actually just want to plug it up to get a sample, just to see what the how bright the actual light fixture is. Before we go any further, we'll just kind of let it hang freely. We'll just let it hang for the moment. Give my bike a minute so I can turn down the sound for the radio. Very cool. Looks like that'll look pretty good. Give a little brake light action. That's gonna be good. See if we got it plugged in the right signal. Alright, signals are bright. Think we're gonna like it. Alright, we'll shut the bike off and see what we can come up with. I just wish I had the right screws for this. Way I don't have to come back into it. I think it's gonna look good. Alright, we found some screws to go in. We got the first light mounted, along with the reinforcements of the double-sided tape. So what we'll do is we'll just repeat the process on the other side. Pull it out in the street, alley, whatever. Give you guys a view of the brake light turn. It's still daylight outside, but I think you should see it pretty fine. So we'll be back in a second. I'm gonna get to the other side. Also, we got to take time to zip tie and organize all this wiring, but you kind of see the finished product. One side, pretty good.
Still on it.
The other side still has to be logged in. Of course, we hear the male Siri talking. We'll just call him Sean. I don't know. Call him whatever you want to call him.
Please try again. He's
still talking. Let me shut him up real quick. So once we zip tie everything, we'll be good to go. All right, so here we go with the finished product. Got the lights on. Right now we just got it in ignition mode, auxiliary, whatever you want to call it, just to give you guys a sample of what it looks like. Got the kids screaming in the background. Give you guys a sample of what it looks like. Brake light, hazard lights. That's your hazard lights there. From the back, I think it really goes well with the Reaper Avant Black setup. I think I'll be pretty good on the road. So far it looks pretty good. Not quite old man Road Glide Ultra, but hey, we'll take
Road Glide Special with a tour pack.
With samples of the Ultra, with a nice tour pack. Make it comfy for the road, for the missus. That's all that matters. I get to keep the bike as long as she's happy. Sorry I didn't get you guys a full install video. Had a little technical difficulties. Garages, junky tools all over the place. Can't hardly find anything. But so far so good. Only thing now we got to get before the end of the month, before we head out, would be the our wetsuits. Give my wife a full face helmet, or at least a 3/4 with a shield. Because you know we're going to Louisiana. It will be raining. Will be a lot of moisture. We will be wet, as they said back in the day. You will get wet. Stay tuned for more updates. Like, share, and subscribe. Once again, check out the Black Beauty. Might call him the Dark Knight. We ain't set on the name yet, but it looked good. Happy with the way everything's turning out.